So I've deleted everything that I've already created and I'll start from scratch. I'll start by importing the mesh file with the joints. When I click on the FBX file, I get a bunch of settings in the inspector. In the Model tab, I will uncheck blend shapes, since I don't have any, also cameras and lights. Hit apply. Next is the rig tab. Usually for humanoid you might go for humanoid rig type, but since I have a complex rig with some extra joints, I'll choose generic. In the animation tab, you can uncheck import animations. Now I'll drag it into my scene. Usually when importing models into Unity, you might need to import the textures separately. I already have done so. I already have some materials that came when I imported my model, I just put in the relevant textures. Since it's a character for mobile, I also changed my material from standard shader to mobile diffuse, so the shaders are more optimized. Then all I need to do is drag my material over the relevant objects. As for the shadow, I changed the material from standard shader to sprites diffuse shader. You will see later why. Now I will import the animation. Click on the FBX file and let's go through the settings. In Model, I will uncheck once again the irrelevant stuff. In the Rig tab, I'll choose Generic. As for the avatar definition, you can either choose to create from this model or copy from other avatar. In the Animation tab, I will uncheck Resample Curves since it causes some shaking in my animation. If it doesn't cause any weird stuff for you, just leave it on. For this tutorial, I will check Loop Animation. Now, if I want to view the animation during play, I'll need to go to the animation FBX file and press the small arrow. I just need to drag the clip into the model in the hierarchy and that's it. Unity will also create an animator controller. Now, if you want, we can tweak this animation a bit and lower the alpha of the shadow when the character jumps. We can't change it in the original animation file, so I'll just hit Ctrl D to duplicate the animation clip. Name it something different so you will be able to distinguish which is the new one. Then go to the Animator tab and choose the animation state. Where it says motion in the inspector, change the source to the new one that you've just created. Now go to the Animation tab and choose the shadow mesh from the scene. Hit record in the Animation tab and look for where the character is high enough. Then, in the material of the shadow, press the tint and lower the alpha as much as you want. Make sure that the first frame of the animation and the last one are with 100% alpha. Once you are done, you can press record again to stop. Now, when we press play, the shadow also has an animation. That's it for this tutorial. I hope I made it clear enough for you. If not, leave a comment with any question. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.